We'll make sure we're on. And what's going on YouTube? This is Todd with xking.com. Hit you with another video. In today's video, I'm doing a 4-month review of being a YouTube partner and my YouTube results. So I started YouTube damn near 5 or 6 years ago, and I wasn't consistent at like I am today. I was playing with it. I wasn't taking it seriously, and I regret not taking it seriously from day one. So this is our YouTube channel. Do a freaking video a day. But besides the point, today we're talking about my earnings, my results, and stuff like that. So I've been a YouTube partner for half of February, March, April, May, June, July. So you might well say 6 months of being a YouTube partner. And so far, it's been going good. So far, I've made $4 to $5 this month. So now it's not a lot of money. Okay, it's not a lot of money, but you know, it is something. You know, it's something. Okay, so this is my results for this year. My numbers are down. YouTube is going through some weird changes. They're demonetizing a lot of videos. I'm noticing. They demonetize one of my top videos is how to install Black Panther TV to your Fire Stick, and they demonetized this video. This video was making a lot of money, but they demonetized it. It was monetized for a long time. They didn't demonetize it. Don't know why. Asked for a review, and they still demonetized it. My second biggest video is how to watch Spanish TV live on your Fire Stick, and you can see the discrepancy. This video made me $9 the last 28 days, and look at the views compared to Black Panther. It's quadruple the amount. You talk about 2,000 views to 6,000 views, but it makes 62 cents because they demonetized it. Look at the watch time minutes. It's just don't even come close. My second biggest video made $6.27. It got 1,100 views, and you know. But my biggest video, they demonetized that. So, and I didn't make. I'm still creating videos, but I haven't as private. I haven't had time to edit the video, add links, add cards, do a thumbnail. I've been extremely busy lately, but I have a ton of content to push out. So that's why you see the numbers are down some. As far as income and stuff like that, everything's down, which is not, I don't like all red. So this video will be published soon. They've been demonetizing a lot of my videos, so they're going through a big change, and you have to be very PC, politically correct on YouTube to make some money. So these are my results so far. I'm trying to see how you go to lifetime. Look at all lifetime. How much I made since I've been a YouTube partner. So we'll get that. We'll wait for this to load up. Still loading. Okay, so this is the lifetime of the channel. As you can see, there's nothing here. Then boom, I started doing a lot of content. Average watch is 2 minutes, and look at the money I made since being a partner, $302. Now, that's not a lot of money, but it's 300 bucks. Okay, I'll take it. This is my subscribers, the shares, the comments I've received. Dislikes, likes, I have more likes than dislikes. And as you can see here, this video is making $56, but they demonetized it. The Spanish made me $46. So this is how passive YouTube can be. I made this one video here. It took me 10 minutes to shoot. 10 minutes to shoot it, no editing. I just took my phone, did the video, all YouTube, it made 50 bucks. It makes me 5 to 6 cents here and there, but it's still making a little bit of money now. The Spanish TVs made me $46 right now. Let's go to high to low. We can see it better. But I made $302 since being on YouTube, which is okay. I mean, it's money. Okay, I'm not gonna turn it down. Okay, it's money. Now it's lagging a little bit because there's a lot of information being pulled up. But as you can see here, scroll down here. How to install the MX player to your Fire Stick has made me $13 so far. So I shot that video, took me 10 minutes to shoot, and I made $13. This video here, how to install Typhoon TV, it took me literally 10 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, upload to YouTube, and maybe $8. So just imagine that you can make these videos and make $8-9 a video. You could make some serious money. Just imagine that. Imagine you could do 5 videos a week, which is easy to do, and you make $8-9 per video. You might make even more than that. So this is what I made so far on YouTube, $302.10. It's okay, but I've been on YouTube for a long. You see the results here, June 24, 2005. I've been on YouTube for a long time, but I spent 3 years doing nothing. So yeah, this is my results. My results are my results. My results are not typical. You may do worse than me. You may do more than me. It depends on how much work you put into it. But I'm trying to turn that $300 to $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 per month on YouTube. I'm producing content every single day. I'm taking it seriously. I'm making the money, and this is the way I do it. I keep creating content. So you see, 2012, 2009. That's how long it's been. So $300, not bad. It pays a couple bills, but like I said, it's money. It's income. I see the money coming in. I can make this more money if I do more content. So yeah, that's the end of my video. 4 months of being a partner. It's going good so far, and hope to take it further. My name is Tyler at SK.com. Any comments, questions, concerns, let me know below the video, and I'll see you next time.